Welcome to Amazing 7, and today we are counting down our picks for the 7 most powerful passports in the world. The 2023 Henley Passport Index has unveiled this year's most powerful passports, and there's been a big shakeup at the top of the list. Here are the 7 most powerful passports of 2023. Number 7. South Korea. South Korea's passport ranking refers to the ranking of the South Korean passport in terms of the number of countries that South Korean citizens can visit visa-free or with visa on arrival. South Korean citizens can travel to 188 countries without a visa or with visa on arrival, making it one of the most powerful passports in the world. Number 6. Japan. As of 2023, the ranking of Japanese passport is down as number 1 to number 6, according to the Henley Passport Index. This means that Japanese citizens can travel to 189 countries without a visa or with visa on arrival. Number 5. Finland. Finland passport ranking refers to the ranking of the Finnish passport based on the number of countries that holders of the Finnish passport can visit without a visa or with visa on arrival. Finland citizens can travel to 189 countries without a visa or with visa on arrival. Number 4. Spain. This passport rank on 4th spot according to Henley Passport Index in 2023. Spain's passport ranking refers to its position in the list of countries with the most powerful passports. Spanish citizens can travel to 190 countries without a visa or with visa on arrival. Number 3. Italy. Italy's passport is considered to be one of the most powerful in the world, with its holders able to enter over 190 countries with visa or with visa on arrival. This puts Italy's passport in the top 7 most powerful passports in the world. Number 2. Germany. Germany's passport ranking refers to the strength and status of the German passport in terms of international travel. The ranking is determined by the number of countries a passport holder can enter without a visa or with visa on arrival. German citizens can also travel to 190 countries without a visa or with visa on arrival. Number 1. Singapore. Singapore passport is considered one of the strongest and most powerful passport in the world in 2023. Consistently ranking among the top in the world, this means that Singaporean citizens can travel to 192 countries without a visa or with visa on arrival. These 7 countries have a strong economy and political stability, which makes it easier for their citizens to travel around the world. These countries also have a strong diplomatic relationship with other countries, which makes it easier for them to travel abroad. It is important to note that this information is subject to change, and visa requirements can vary depending on the individual's nationality, purpose of travel, and length of stay.
Did you enjoy this video? Check out other clips of Amazing 7 and be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified our latest videos.